Well, I'm right near a main road. We've got a mixed shrubbery here. We've got a buddleia globosa behind us, but I wanted to show you how winter can be colourful. Look at this in front of me. It is Chaenomeles nivalis. Now, Chaenomeles are often called quince. They are not a quince at all, and it's because they produce an apple as their fruit. But that's all that the significance of it is. Now, Nivalis is a very upright going Chaenomeles. A lot of the others, the pinks and the reds, beautiful colours they are, but there you can spread those against the wall really easy, and they are actually a very useful wall shrub. But Nivalis isn't. I mean, I'm going to come in a bit closer to just look at that as a beautiful flower. I tell you what, and I'll show you what it does, is if you prune it back, which we have, because actually it gets in the way of the cars driving in and out, you'll see what it does. It flowers all the way, I'll point, all the way up the stem, see? It's great, very underrated. And I've just come round to show you what else is going on. The other great plant that people aren't very good on is, forsythia. Don't underrate a forsythia, just coming into bloom. And if you want a bit of excitement indoors for the spring, pick a few bits like this, cut them off. All those little buds will produce flowers, and you could have forsythia indoors. Equally, you could have Chaenomeles nivalis indoors at this time of the year. So there's some winter flowery shrubs for you. 2, to get on with. Don't be put off by people saying, oh, forsythia, that's old-fashioned. No, it isn't. Is Chaenomeles old-fashioned? Maybe it was. I planted it. My dad planted it. But I tell you what, still gives a lovely show. Don't forget that you can keep in touch with us on World Radio Gardening. Yep. Have a look at our website. Lots of things going on. worldradiogardening.com.